Show you this two binocular microscope. We have installed a camera on one of the binocular sets, so while the doctor can be working on this side, he can be looking at the camera as well. The controls of the microscope are with the foot pedal, and as well some of the controls here I will show you as a tilt for the cameras. We have two sets of microscopes. Okay. Here you can rise or lower the post with this side or with this side. Lower it again. Okay, okay. With this pedal, you're raising slowly, lowering the mounting of your microscope. Okay, and with this, you're tilting right or left, turning the microscope where you're operating. Okay, and besides of that, we have control that will move right or left the stand for your microscope. With this control, upper. Okay. Okay, it moves right or left. And okay.
You can how you control the light here? The lighting.
Whoa! We have here in this potentiometer the lighting control.
Okay.
So as you can see, you can lower it, the intensity.
Nice.
Max.
Increasing. Can you lower?
Here you have to lower.
Increase. Excellent.
Oh, you don't notice it in the camera, but you can notice it in the.
Can you change the bulb?
And here you can change from bulb A to bulb B. Okay.
In case something happened when the bulb burns. Okay.
And replace it.
And also the camera. Can you record something in the camera with this noise?
You have the output for the HDMI, and you have also digital video.
And the USB also.
USB port, exactly.
So you can record that.
So you can get
a record of the procedure.
exactly.
Nice. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.